you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support. Alright, back with another video. Today I'm gonna be unboxing the DS18 Pro Neo 8R. It's a Neodymium mid-range speaker. So what they say, 8-inch mid-range loudspeaker, or not, it don't say, yeah, it does say mid-range loudspeaker. High-grade neodymium ring magnets. This speaker right here was provided to me by Custom Audio by JD. He wanted me to have it. You know, he gave it to me, told me to make a review on it, do a review, let y'all see it. So that's what we're doing. And y'all do me a favor, go over there to Facebook or Instagram or TikTok or wherever. Be sure to follow Custom Audio by JD, and you know, see some of the nice enclosures that he does have, and he does build custom enclosures and sell equipment as well. So you want to go over there and check him out, shop with him if you can. He does ship certain things, enclosures, holes, setups, or whatever you may need. So I'm gonna put the link down in the description down below, so you can go directly to the page that he does have, and his website should be up pretty soon, so you can buy it directly from there. But if you follow the channel, you know I have a white enclosure that has a nice plexiglass with the logo in it. He done that for me, so y'all be sure to go over there and check him out, show him some love, and share his work. And if you need something, be sure to check him out. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this. So gotta give him thank you for that. And go ahead and get this open. It's nice now. See, this reminds me of that. They got a one called the Hooligan, like a Hooligan speaker. Y'all see right there? I guess that'd be considered a paper cone. I guess that's what that is. Nice dust cap. Comes with the gasket on there, like most of them. And it's got this nice, like a candy coated paint on the back right here. I like this. Like I said, they got some subwoofers like that too. I like this whole layout right here with the magnet and everything you can see right there. So, you know, it's a nice look. It almost makes you wish you could just invert it, but it's not made for that. Because like I said, they got some subwoofers made similar to this. I have seen those. And, you know, if that's what you're into, you know, be sure to go check out the guys over there at DS18. But you can pick this up at any car audio dealer. Be sure to use code BASSWITHKEV. Or if you go to Down for Sound, be sure to use code BWK. And like I say, support the channel. Or if you in the Arkansas area and need something, you can go over there to Custom Audio by JD. I'm gonna have a link down below, so you can go check him out if you're local to him. I'm sure he can get this for you if he don't have it in stock, but he does have a lot of stuff in stock. If not, he can get you right. But like I say, it's a nice build, and it's kind of got a little weight on it too. Let's see what we got back here. 2.2-inch voice coil, high grade neodymium rings magnet is what it says. 4 ohm, 800 watts. Of course, y'all know what they say, we like it loud. DS18 Pro, this stuff is usually loud, so you know I can't lie about that. But it's hot out here today, guys. Y'all know I ain't gonna hold y'all too long on this nice looking speaker right here. Of course, they give you the manual on the inside. Let me try to set this back in. Yeah, but DS18 made some nice product as well. I got a lot of friends that run DS18. I made a good friend over there, Anthony. And he keep in touch with me all the time and make sure I'm good or whatever. And he treat me right, man. And I don't even have the DS18 right now. So, you know, I appreciate him, man. He always reaching out, man. And Mr. DS18, you know, they always tagging and showing me some of the nice product when they post it. And so, you know, I like to share the product. So this is what we're doing. Of course, y'all can pause this right here if y'all want to check it out. All your data sheet right here, as you can see right here, all your cutouts. Y'all can pause it. I'm gonna scoot it up a little bit closer. Go a little slow so y'all can check it out. They had a nice setup at what is it? At SMALLRIG. I didn't get a chance to make it by there. Cause I had to run off the first day. I had to run off and I had to come back, but I didn't get a chance. I had to try to rush around the whole thing, and I didn't get a chance to go over there and check it out, man. I get to see my guy Anthony at the show, Anthony Kimball over there at DS18. I didn't get to see them. So hopefully I can see them when I go down to Arkansas, Alabama down that way, or at the next show. So hopefully, you know, I can go over there and check them out. But y'all know, as usual, we do be doing a sound test with this speaker as well. So make sure y'all tune in, because we will be doing that. So I'm going to try to get that in the next video or so, because I know, you know, some of y'all wanted to see some of the different speakers. I'm going to try to get a hold of some Rogue Audio speakers. Matter of fact, I was speaking with a guy about some here recently. He had some that he wanted me to check out. So hopefully I get a hold of some of those. And, you know, we'll do some reviews as usual. I hadn't did a review video in a while. So, you know, this is just one. Go ahead and throw it in there so y'all can check out this nice looking speaker they got. But y'all be sure to like and subscribe, man. You know, if you feel like you need one of these or can do some upgrading or whatnot, be sure to go use the links down below and support the channel. Of course, y'all can check out Custom Audio by JD. Use the code discount codes BASSWITHKEV on any dealer most of the time, you know, or whatnot. If not, you can inbox me. I can help you get right. But nothing else. Be sure to like, subscribe, share the channel. I'm gonna see y'all back on the next one.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.